Hello and welcome everyone. I am Muhammad Haris and I am very much excited to expose or introduce you to this exciting course in which we will be utilizing and amalgamating artificial intelligence and creativity. In this course, we will see one of the most important and very creative and interesting AI technologies that is going to reshape how we create and perceive art. That is DALL-E. DALL-E, developed by OpenAI, is basically a cutting-edge AI model that can generate stunning images from textual descriptions. This technology is not just about creating art, it's about understanding the intersection of technology and human creativity. So, this course is basically structured into 8 different comprehensive modules, uh, each designed to give you both the theoretical foundation and the practical skills that are needed to become proficient with DALL-E. We start with module 1, where we will explore the history of AI in creating creative fields. This module will give you a context on how AI like DALL-E has evolved basically. Similarly, in module 2, we will see and investigate how DALL-E works. This basically technical module will cover different neural networks like the GPT-3 model and the VQVAE2 technology, which is crucial for understanding DALL-E's capability. So we will also see DALL-E uh, from a technical or from a backend, you can call it backend perspective. Okay. So module 3 is basically where you will get your hands dirty. We will go through setting up and using DALL-E, and we will also see how you can access it via APIs, and how you can craft effective prompts to generate your desired images. Uh, Similarly, as we will progress, you will learn about the practical applications of DALL-E in various industries in Module 4. Uh, we will see some advanced features and integrations in Module 5, and we will also tackle the ethical and legal considerations in Module 6. These modules are basically designed to not only enhance your technical skills but also to broaden your understanding of the implications of AI generated content. Uh, Towards the end of the course, in Module 7, we will look at the emerging trends and the future of AI in arts. This final module, or Module 8, is a capstone project where you will apply everything that you have learned to create your own unique projects using DALL-E. So throughout this course, you will have access of a variety. You will have access to a variety of resources, including step-by-step tutorials, which will be basically generated and designed very uh, very carefully. And also you will have access to some hands-on projects, case studies. Plus you will also have a chance of joining a community of like-minded learners and creators. So this will also help you to grow and get feedback on your work. uh, Basically, whether you're an artist, a developer, or just someone curious about the potential of AI in creative industries, this course will provide you with the basic knowledge and foundational understanding to explore and innovate using this cutting edge technology that we can leverage. So, if you're ready to start this journey, uh, enroll now and let's create something amazing together. Thank you very much. This is Mohammed signing off. We will meet in the next video.